NAPL's Raymond Prince recently took some time out on the road to talk about productivity and operations management issues.
One, we're in a rough economy. I mean, everybody knows that. It's how we address that economy. And the key is productivity as well as quality. Quality, we're assuming today, the customer assumes that they're going to get a quality job. It's a matter of can we produce it effectively and fast. We cannot basically operate the way we've done in the past. And yes, we have to have procedures. SOPs have to be done. And let's just take the small one, SOPs first. SOPs need to be simple. They need to be one page. They need to be clear. You don't want a huge binder that nobody's going to read, and it takes years to write. They need to be clear, simple. Most printers run a dirty, filthy plant. They do not maintain it. It's not professional looking. The equipment is dirty. The plant is dirty. So often they don't think of a client coming in and assessing a plant based upon what it looks like. If we want to improve our productivity, improve our plant, clean it up. Okay? Take the items stuck all over the walls, the notes all over the walls, etc. Take them down, get the equipment clean, operate in a good, safe manner. And once again, I've never seen good printing come out of a dirty plant. I've never seen a dirty press run fast. It just doesn't happen. Likewise, along with that is the repair. Equipment needs to be maintained. Everything should work. Maybe your press is old. That's okay. But there's no excuse for worn parts, broken parts on a press, something not working on a press. There's no excuse for it at all. Either we keep it in good operating condition or we frankly sell it and get rid of it. You want a clean plant running efficiently. I want to be able to move my waste out, move my new paper in, move my current jobs in. I don't want to lose jobs. I've been in plants where they can't find skids. We have 2-3 skids missing on a job in a large plant because it's so filthy. Nobody knows where it is. You cannot differentiate bad from good. Therefore, sometimes the good gets run out and we keep the bad. For high quality work, be that packaging, liquor, etc., annual reports, high quality brochures, the client wants to come in and okay the job on press. Many printers say, we don't want the customer in our plant. We don't want them here. We'll run by the numbers. We'll do the okay, etc. And quite frankly, in my estimation, that is, I hate to say it, but stupid. You have the opportunity to have a client come into your plant, show off your plant, show off your people, show off what you can do, show them all the other products that you can produce, all the other things that you do. Welcome the client into your plant. If a printer only had $1,000 and wants to improve its operation, only has $1,000 to spend, I would invest it in 5S. Okay, in basically cleaning up the plant. 5S starts basically with sort and ends with sustain. For the expenditure, outside expense of $1,000, it's amazing what can be done. It's amazing how many square feet you can find in a plant. Keys to productivity today, quite frankly, it's 70% people, 30% machinery. People are the most important thing. People make a huge, huge difference. They have to have hustle. They have to be smart. They have to want to work hard. And quite frankly, they need to be led. You, in management, need to establish what the goals are. What are the targets? What are you expecting out of the people? What have you done as a leader to train, to desire, and to demand out of your people? That's the key. Or let's take a look at machinery. We take a look at machinery. Machinery makes up only 30% of productivity. I see so many times where a person bought a press that's rated 18,000 an hour. They're only running at 9. I ask them, why are you running at 9? And we get down to it after a few cups of coffee, and we find out they're running at 9,000 an hour because that's what they ran the old press at. So they're running the new, still at 9. Well, why'd you buy the new press? You can buy the greatest machines, the fastest machines out there, be they sheet-fed, web, bindery, etc. If the people aren't using them properly, if they're not trying to run at those higher speeds, why buy the new machinery? As a consultant, and any of our consultants at NAPL, we travel extensively. We're into thousands of plants, and we see what can be done. You know what you are doing, but you don't know what can be done.
Thanks for listening. If you'd like more information or if you'd like to find out about how to bring Raymond Prince to your plant for a productivity assessment, email rprince@napl.org or call 605-641-1492.